Now, let me explain what RSS-based email campaigns are. You can create automated emails that go out every 30 days that include the direct hyperlinks to any blog posts or YouTube videos that you have created that month. So if you're publishing any blogs on TekMatix, or if you're publishing any YouTube videos, you can actually use the template that is in your system called RSS Monthly Tips Email, and edit your email template that's in there. And then you can go into the system behind the scenes, and I'll show you, it shows you where to grab your RSS feed URL. You can simply create an email template that then inside your email building area, you can choose to send at a specific date and time. So it might be that you can't see it very well in here, sorry, because it's really small, but it says here, when should we send this? And it might be every month on the 28th of every month at 8 a.m. And what this will do is pull in any blog posts or YouTube videos, depending which feed URL you use, and it will send out this automated newsletter for you. So you don't even have to remember to send newsletters. You set this up once in your life and it's done forever. Now, I want to direct you to the full tutorial on how to do that. On the TekMatix YouTube channel, does this take you through how to do it all? Yes, it does. Excellent. Okay, this is the one that walks you through every single step. Good. I'm going to just grab the link to this and I'm going to copy it. And those of you on the replay, it will be in the courses area as well. So here is the video link. And in fact, what I might do is embed it on the YouTube channel, on the slide deck. Let's just get rid of this skip ads thing. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little screenshot of this bad boy, print screen. Oops. Oh. I'm going to put this inside the slide deck so that you can watch this later. Sorry, guys, I'll make sure you have this. How do I delete this? Sorry. No, I can. Tutorial. On the channel. And just grab that link again, share, copy link, and then right click, add link, and paste. All right, now that's clickable. Full tutorial. And I'll just put in capital letters for setting up the RSS feed automations. Okay, so again, you set this up once, the RSS feed automation, and it will automatically send a whole newsletter with all of your links to your published content included in the newsletter. So you never have to write a newsletter ever again. The step-by-step screenshots are in the slides, and that first video will show you exactly how to do it. Okay,